Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be testing out and playing with all of the brand new products that I bought from the Sephora VIB sale. I thought it would be fun to just kind of sit down and chat about the new products that I picked up and create a fun little makeup look with these products. If you guys are interested in seeing me test and play with the new products that I got, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing that I picked up was this Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face Illuminator. I got mine in the shade Prism Rose. I have used this once before and I really did enjoy it. Just gives your face this really nice glassy glow look, which, you know, it has in the title of the product name, so it's actually a really nice product. Like, look at that. Ah! A little bit of this goes a very, very long way, so make sure that you don't use a ton of it. One pump is all you need for your full face. Literally, this product transforms any foundation. Today, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation, and I'm going to show you just how beautiful it makes that foundation look. Like, I at first when I got the Fenty Beauty Foundation was not a fan of it whatsoever, just way too drying on my skin, but I did use it again with this primer underneath. It looked so beautiful. So that's what we're going to be using for foundation today, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And I have mine in the shade 120. I just love how this combo makes my skin look. It just looks so dewy and luminous and healthy. I'm really in love with these combos right here. So good. And the next thing that I picked up from the Sephora sale was the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. I got this in the shade 120 as well. It's the perfect match to the foundation. It's just a shade lighter than the foundation, which I personally love. And now I'm going to quickly set my face with some setting powder. For under my eyes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 5 Fair. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to dust it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10 Fair Light. Alright, now that I have my face set, I'm going to move on to bronzer. The bronzer that I picked up from the sale was the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r bronzer in Inda Sun, which is just a beautiful, beautiful shade. I'm going to take my large bronzing brush, just dip in here. This is just such a beautiful bronzer. I love the fact that you have to build it up. I don't like bronzers that are too pigmented. I really like this one because I really do have to build it up to the level of bronze that I want. This makes it a really easy product to blend out and work with. And now for blush, I picked up the Buxom Wanderlust Primer Infused Blush in Dolly, which I will be putting on my face today. Just going to dip in with my blush brush here. And you do have to be very, very careful with this because a lot comes off on the brush. It is a very, very pigmented blush. So what I like to do is put a little bit on the brush and then swirl it in my hand to get some of the color off and then go in on my cheek. Just so that I can really control the pigment on it. Okay, and if you feel like you've got way too much blush on, like I feel like I just did, because this is a very, very pigmented product, you can go back in with your powder brush and diffuse it out. I like more subtle blushes, so I usually always go back in with my powder brush to diffuse it. I really do like this blush. I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like it applies kind of patchy on me for some reason. I don't know what the deal is really. But I love the color of it and I love the luminosity that it gives my cheeks. So I'm still playing around with this, trying to test it out and see how I like it, but so far it's not bad. Okay, and I don't have a new highlighter to test for you guys, so I'm just going to take the Wet n Wild loose highlighter in I'm So Lit. This is a very, very beautiful highlighter. I'm just going to take it on my highlight brush and highlight the cheekbones. Make sure to get underneath that brow bone too, just to kind of lift it up a little bit. And this highlight is very, very pigmented, so if you do not like a pigmented highlight, you probably won't like this, but I think you probably could sheer it out. Like you could again just go in with your powder brush to sheer it out. I personally like a blinding highlight. It just makes you look so dewy and luminous. You guys, excuse my hair today. It is just not wanting to cooperate. It just looks like a frizzy mess. So I apologize for that. And now to set all of these powders in, I'm going to take the Anastasia Dewy Set Setting Spray. This is another product that I picked up from the sale. And so far I have been really loving this spray. It is so nice. It just melts all of the products into your skin and leaves it looking so, so dewy. I love to drench my face and then I just fan it dry with my Patrick Ta fan. And now I'm just going to quickly do my brows with the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil in Champagne Blonde. I'm going to set it with the Essence Make Me Brow Mascara in Blondy Brows. Alright, and my brows are done. So we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to be doing a very, very simple look today. I'm just going to throw some of this bronzer on my lids and call it good for eyeshadow today, because I really do not want to spend a lot of time creating a look. This is more just on the products that I picked up from the sale, which I did not pick up any eyeshadows from the sale. Now that I have that in the crease and under my lash line, I'm just going to pop a little bit of our highlighter and put this in the corner of my eyes, just to give it a little bit of a pop. And now we're going to move on to the mascara that I picked up. It's the Milk Makeup KUSH Waterproof Mascara. And like I said in my haul, I don't know if I love this mascara or hate this mascara. It does transfer underneath my lashes, so I'm not a big fan of that, but I bought this mascara and it was kind of pricey, so I'm gonna get use out of it. I always get mascara on my lid and it's so annoying. Don't know how I feel about this mascara. Like, obviously I got it all over my lids, but I do that with any mascara. It takes me so long to build my lashes up with this mascara, and it does really transfer under my eyes after a while. So for me, that mascara is just not worth it for me personally. If you guys enjoy it, great, I'm glad, because it has potential to be a nice mascara. Just on me personally, I don't like it. So I'm going to wait a bit for the mascara to dry on my eyelids, and then I will try to scrape it off. But in the meantime, I will move on to my last product that I have, which is the Ilia Color Haze Multi Matte Pigments in Waking Up. Now this is so beautiful. I have used it as a blush and as a lip product, and I like it both ways. You can literally do whatever you want with this. I really do like this on the lips. It is really nice, and it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. And it does smell exactly like sprinkles. It's so yummy. And once I get it on my lips like this, I like to just kind of pat it in. When I pat it in like that, it gives my lips this really nice, like, faded look. I love it. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much all that I picked up from the Sephora sale the first time around. The second time around, follow me on Instagram, because I did buy some like last minute things from Sephora, which I will be showing you over on my Instagram. I'm going to be doing like a little Instagram TV thing. And I also have some other really cool things planned for Instagram as well. I'm trying to be more active on there, so make sure you follow me. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look that I created. Make sure and give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to subscribe as well, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!